TCT saw blade dual side grinding machine. Carbide teeth double flank side grinder. It's designed specially for side grinding the teeth of circular saw blades. Double side grinder features to Siemens grinding motors. The aim is to provide a clean and an undamaged cutting edge for the materials used. Axis CNC controlled grinding with AC servo motors. Hydraulic saw blade clamping saw carrier locking. The machine has automatic compensation program to compensate. It can adjust grinding speed and it has automatic lubrication system. TCT circular saw blade dual side grinding machine. Grinding wheels main spindle. Double side grinding wheels. Double side grinding wheels.